Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to easily change or adjust skin tone in Canva using the brush tool. It's super simple and completely free. So let's get started. First just open your Canva and then create a new designs or just open your old designs and then just import the photo that you want to edit. Next just click on the photo and then go to edit photo, this one. Next just tap on adjust, this one. And then just choose brush tool, this one. This feature will allow you to apply adjustment only to specific area like face, hands, or any exposed skin. And then just start brushing over the skin areas that you want to edit, like this. For example, like this. And once the area is brushed, you can now tweak the settings such as you can just tweak this feature over here, like temperature, tint, light, brightness, and many more. Just adjust it as you like to achieve the skin tone that you prefer. Just keep adjusting until you're happy with the result. For example like this. And that's it. That's how you can change skin tone in Canva in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.